Welcome. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you or teach you how to unsubscribe emails on Gmail. So if you want to know how I did it, just keep on watching. So first of all, if you're using your mobile device, don't worry because the process is still the same. Okay, so you just need to follow these simple steps. So now, let's start on the tutorial. So first of all, you want to open your browser and your Gmail. Okay, so now what you need to do is to open the mail that you want to unsubscribe. Okay, so for example, this LinkedIn. So just go ahead and click on that and just go ahead and scroll down until you see the unsubscribe option. So let's see if there's a unsubscribe button right here. Okay, so now just go ahead and click on the unsubscribe button. And now you've unsubscribed on this website. Okay, so you will no longer receive emails from that website about suggestions to improve your job alerts, right? So now let's just go back here and I'm just gonna refresh my Gmail. And now let's try again. So right now I'm just gonna try it on this chess.com support. I'm sorry. So as you can see, I've clicked on the email. And once I scroll down, as you can see, there's this unsubscribe text here. Okay. So now I'm just gonna click on that. And once you've clicked on that text, just need to log in your account and that should unsubscribe you on this website. Okay. And that's it. That is how you unsubscribe on of your emails on Gmails. So I hope this video helped you, and if it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification so you won't miss a video. See you in the next one, and have a great day.